Bipasha Basu was detained at the Mumbai airport on her return from London. She has said that she was cleared, but she has been made to pay customs duty by the customs before being cleared. She said it's a routine checkup. Janice joins us now. Janice, give us the latest details on the detainment of actress Bipasha Basu.
Well, Rhythm, I've just gotten off the phone line with Bipasha Basu, and here's the story as she told it to us, that she was returning from London and she was stopped by the customs and made to pay a tax of about 10,000 rupees as she had shopped. I mean, she'd gone overboard with her shopping. What she claims is that she actually had no clue that she had to pay this kind of tax. So that's the story that she's been given us. She's been cleared as of now. That's the statement that she's made to Times Now.
Janice, stay with us. Let's also listen in to Bipasha Basu, who spoke exclusively to Times Now.
Recording you right now. Just exactly what you told me, just go ahead with that.
Well, there's nothing wrong. You know, people are doing their job at the customs. My bags were taken out for scrutiny. They were checked, and I had to make an inventory out of whatever I had bought, and I had to pay a tax of 10,000 rupees. That was the excess that I had done, and that's about it. They're doing their job, and I think I'm very impressed that there is a young officer on duty, Mr. Vankre, and I was very impressed with the way he's working. He's strict, but he's doing his job.
Okay, Bipasha, if you can just quickly tell me that did they check your bag? I mean, what was the tax that you paid for?
I paid for like a shopping expenditure, excess, and it was 10,000 rupees the tax that I had to pay. More than that, I don't think you need to know what I buy. It's my personal usage.
Okay, so just to clarify, there was no problem and you've been cleared
no
now?
Problem. Absolutely. No, there's no problem. There are many people with me. Like, it was not only me there. So they are doing a check on everybody. Like, whoever they think have bigger bags, they're checking. So it is a normal thing. It's nothing sensationalized. Everything's normal. Yeah.
Okay, so just to clarify, you have not been detained, you have not been stopped, you have been let go and you're clear now, right?
Yeah, I was checked. I got whatever tax had to be paid is paid and done. Yeah.
Just in retrospect, why didn't you pay it earlier to avoid this?
Because I had no idea. There is, and I think, like me, there must have been like hundreds of passengers who have gone by and bought the same amount of cream or shoe, and they have no idea that they have to pay a tax on that. You know, you can go off mark by 1,000, 2,000 rupees in your shopping sometimes.
Yeah.
So it's a matter of routine checkup when you catch whoever. It's not that anyone's trying to evade taxes. It's just that there is a lot of unawareness about it, and thankfully I'm very aware today. So it's
okay. Thanks so much, Bipasha. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.